everyone, this is Shirley. Today I would like to introduce our newly developed high-speed vacuum packaging machine 130D with a speed of up to 100 packs per minute. The first station is feeding bags. You can adjust and use different size bags in one machine within one specific size range. In the second station, you can connect to the date printers to your requirements for printing content, such as TTO, inkjet, laser printer, etc. Station 3. Opening bag top to help smooth filling in next filling station. After filling, you can add different functions depend on your needs, like filling liquids, rotary blowing, flattening, and so on. The most important step is to transfer fill bags to vacuum chambers. After finishing the sealing and vacuuming in chamber, bag will be outputted automatically.